tax?
Honestly, if you're worried about VAT bills, you haven't been managing your cash flow. You've been running it and waiting until the seventh day of the month and just been like, oh, I need to pull 10, 15 grand out of somewhere. That's poor cash flow management. That's poor business management. I am an awful hypocrite talking for that one because while I knew what my last quarterly bill was going to be, I decided to put all the money in orders anyway. And I had my purchasing VA going, I'm not having a repeated last month. Can you please start budgeting money aside? And I'm like, but I'd rather turn it over in stock. And they're like, well, don't. So I have set up another bank account this week. And my plan is do my VAT turnovers monthly or returns monthly and put a fixed percentage on in each month. So when it comes to the third month, I only have to top it up. Because, and this is the best bit of advice I can give, so everybody clean your ears and pay attention to this. If you turn over £1 million in Amazon and don't make any money, and you can show that to the tax man, that is perfectly fine. They'll be like better like next year. If you go for 85k turnover and you're registered for VAT and you blow it all on whatever reason you blow it all on, and you can't pay HMRC, they will nail you to the wall because it's their money, not yours. You're only collecting on behalf of them. And if you don't have their money, they are a quite vicious debt collector. Don't mess around with the Batman. Taxman, you can talk to him. The Batman doesn't listen.